you don't have time to spend hours in the kitchen to prepare a delicious lunch, make this baked pasta with ground meat casserole. I'm sure that everyone will love this dish. And the best part is that it can be made with ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen. The minced meat can be substituted with spinach, feta cheese, or diced mushrooms. First, warm the butter and olive oil in a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and start cooking the diced onion. Stir in the chopped mushrooms and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in the minced meat and minced garlic cloves. Cook for about 7 minutes until the meat is thoroughly cooked. Season with mixed dried vegetables, salt and pepper to taste, and dried oregano. Pour in the white wine and cook on medium heat until the liquid evaporates. Then stir in the cream of mushroom soup, whole milk, and water. Stir until everything is combined and a thick sauce is formed. Cook for about 5 minutes and then stir in the cooked pasta in the mixture. Transfer the whole thing to a well-greased casserole pan and top with grated cheese. Bake the whole casserole in an already heated oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. Let it cool slightly before serving. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and have fun cooking until the next time.